Welcome to the Building Blocks of Reading Phonemic Awareness Course, Video 2. The purpose of this video is to show you how pictures were used to write the sounds in words. And just to let you know why I'm teaching you using pictures. I'm using pictures because this is still how we read and write now. The only differences are that we can write on paper instead of mud tablets or animal skins. We can use pens and pencils instead of sticks or other scraping tools. And we can use letters instead of lots of difficult to draw pictures. But our letters are the pictures we use for the sounds we speak in our words. Before we go further, I want to show you this lemon-coloured stripe. It will be on the side of most slides to remind you that we always start reading from the lemon stripe side. As we work through these words, we'll take turns. When you see the green arrow, you say the sounds for the pictures. When you see an orange arrow, I'll say the sounds, and you check you said the right sounds. When you see the green arrow again, repeat what I said. We'll do the first two words together so you understand the instructions. First, you say the sound for each picture starting at the arrow. Now I'll say the sounds so you can check you got them right. A, Now I'll say the sounds faster, then I'll say the word those sounds make. A, am. You've already checked that you got the right sounds, so all you need to say is a, am. Now we'll do this word together. First, you say the sound for each picture, starting here. Now I'll say the sounds so you can check you got them right. E, Now I'll say the sounds faster, then I'll say the word those sounds make. Men. You've already checked that you got the right sounds, so all you need to say is men. A, ran. S, a, S, a, Sam. R, a, R, a, ram. A, a, man. n, a, n, an. Well done. That's how written English works. Look at the picture, say the sound. Say the sounds close together so you can hear the word they make. These are the pictures people used to read and write long ago. These are our pictures. They're a lot better because they're easier to read and easier to write, and each one looks very different. But they work the same way as those very old pictures. Now that you understand how written English works, you're ready to learn all the other sounds. See you on the next video.